We're going to show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on this Ram 1500. This happens to be on the 3.6 liter V6 engine, and if you need any parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com. Let's get started. We're going to take the Serpentine belt off. I'm going to use a 3/8 extension. Loosen the tension on the tensioner. Slide the belt off. Slide it off the alternator. Then you can release the tensioner. You take the belt off the crank, off the water pump, and off the AC compressor. Slide that out of the way. Now take the belt. I'm going to go over the AC compressor, around the water pump, around the crankshaft pulley, up over the tensioner, and back over the alternator. And over the idler. I'm going to take it off the water pump. We're going to go around the alternator first, on the top here. Try to get this lined up. Take the tension off. There we go. And line it up. So it's a lot easier to go over the water pump with it than the other pulleys. Make sure that's all lined up. Looks good. Yeah, that all looks good. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com, and you can watch all those repair videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.